Hello, I'm Lacey and this is my RV. I just bought it, so I'd like to kind of go over everything I've got and why I chose an RV over a van. There's a few amenities that you might, if you're considering buying a van, you might want to consider. So let's take a look at the outside. Right off the bat, you can hear I've got the generator running, so you may have some trouble hearing this, or maybe I'll dub over this. But underneath, we've got our propane system. And propane runs a surprising amount in the van. It's got the furnace, the stove, the oven, and even though you wouldn't think it, it actually runs the refrigerator too. So propane's important. Under here, this is just storage. I've got a shop vac and extra oil for the generator and car. Back here, this is something you might want. This is a hot water heater. Hot showers in the morning are so nice. And I get it, you can leave your bag out on the roof and heat it up, but you're just not gonna get as hot as I can. I can turn it on and in 5 minutes I've got enough hot water for a full shower. I don't even have to wait. It's fantastic. So right here is my storage area, and I want to show you this. These little clips here. Every little storage holder has these clips to hold them open. You can see I've got my water filter supplies, a couple of hiking backpacks. It's a huge storage area though. I actually wasn't sure if I would fit my apartment in this RV, and I had more space than I expected. I actually fit everything in my apartment and probably still have some space left over. So last thing on this side, these are 120 volt outlets. And that is awesome. When you're camping and you've got the generator going, beautiful. Okay, I didn't have this installed, but it came with the RV, and so far I've kept it. This is a bike rack / storage assembly area, and as you can see, the tow hitch down there has taken some hits. Quite a beating. It's a little long. I might remove it. It's currently breaking, so I'm either going to have to get it welded or removed. I've got my spare tire here. I won't go into it, the whole assembly of it, but up top I've got a ladder going to the roof, and I've got a WeBoost antenna. That's my cellular booster. Really, I've only used it twice, but when I was at the Grand Canyon, it saved me, allowed me to get some work done, and basically gives me cell signal when I only have very little. There's a few things I won't go into. This is the black water tank dump area. I've got hoses and, you know, the poop tanks in there. Runs on regular. This is a nice little amenity. This is my outdoor shower, and I've only used it twice, but it is so handy when you're at a beach and you need to hose off or hose some equipment off before getting back in. We've got city water hookup that allows me to plug straight in at someone's house or at an RV park and have pressurized water. Storage area. I think furnace outlets. I've got another 12 volt outlet on the outside, and then down below I've got a hookup for all of my electrical and an air compressor for those times if I get stuck. If I were to have a flat tire, I can come in here and boost that air compressor up. And I would be able to fill up to about 30-40 psi, enough to get me to a gas station somewhere. And last but not least, I'm sure you can hear it. This is my generator. 4,000 volt amps. 4,000 watts, I believe. That's what that means. That is a handy thing to have. Now, under the front, you can kind of see, I won't take them down, but this is leveling jacks that allow me to level out without having the Lynx levelers, even though I do have Lynx levelers. I bought them before I knew that that was included. So thanks for watching. Really excited about this. Family, friends, come check me out. Cheers.